Google Sheets is a powerful spreadsheet app, but it can be much more than that. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to turn it into your own Kanban board. First, create a new spreadsheet and name your columns. I use backlog, to do, doing, and done. After styling it to your preference, start filling up the cards with your own tasks. After a task's status has changed, move it to the next column by clicking on the edge of the cell and dragging. Kanban boards are a great way of adding transparency to your workflow, so don't forget to share it with your coworkers. A Google Sheets Kanban board is a very limited tool. If you want more advanced features such as task assignments, notifications, checklists, attachments, and much more, try using Kanbanchi. Its easy to learn user interface and integrations with the Google Workspace will not disappoint you. Thank you for watching today's Kanbanchi tutorial, and I'll see you in our next video.